So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can close every other tab on your Safari except that one tab that you want to save. Now, in order to do it, just simply open Safari. Now, for example, if I want this particular tab to stay open while all other tabs want to close, let me quickly open multiple tabs so that I can demonstrate you. For example, if I open these 6 tabs, now if I want to close all the other tabs except for this one, now all I need to do is to just simply press and hold the tab that you want to save and delete all the other tabs. Just simply, for example, this one. Now here you're gonna see you'll see this option that says close other tabs. Just simply tap over it, and once you do that, here you're gonna see only this tabs remain while all the other tabs are closed in the Safari. So it's a shortcut trick that you can use to speed up your productivity. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.